guys, I'm here inside the ceiling. In my work, I'm checking where is the leak. A lot of leaks coming from the rain because we're soaked. We're soaked. That's a lot of rain. Oh man, especially in the old building like this. Man, that's crazy. It's just like a tournament of a leak. That's how I describe it. Right there. Oh my god. This storm drain is cracked too. God. Look at that. This huge of a pipe is. You see pipe is. Around it there's a big gap. That's where the leak coming from. Alright guys, be safe. Catch you later.